Have you ever found something new at the most perfect time in your life? For example, I played Earthbound for the first time at a super turbulent stage of my high school years. You know, girls, drama, trying to find myself. And that game has had an immense impact on me ever since then. And I played Breath of the Wild during a time in which I desperately needed to be blown away by video games again. And heck, I watched Gossip Girl for the first time when I just didn't care anymore.
I'm Chuck Bass!
And more recently, I've discovered a delightful little anime during one of the more boring and mundane periods of my life.
Everything's okay. I'm here.
Please, don't go anywhere.
Rilakkuma and Kaoru tells the story of Kaoru. She's a down-on-her-luck 30-something-year-old single woman, and she has 3 roommates, Rilakkuma, Korilakkuma, and Kiroitori.
Morning.
Each episode presents Kaoru with a new dilemma.
Oh, pardon me.
Like being stood up by her friends from a picnic, or not being able to decide on what food she wants to eat, or struggling to talk to the man that she's attracted to. And she even struggles with more outlandish things like being visited by a ghost girl or having her roommate Rilakkuma kidnapped by the neighborhood boy. What's interesting though is seeing how our characters deal with these day-to-day dilemmas. Kaoru is found daydreaming a lot throughout the show. These surreal moments allow her a brief escape from her problems. And even her roommates are seen in super bizarre and out-of-this-world scenes that literally take the viewer away from the reality of the issues at hand. These dreamlike sequences, however, never bring conclusive solutions to Kaoru's troubles. Despite the show's warm exterior, Rilakkuma and Kaoru is surprisingly sad and packed with melancholia. The world seems to be against Kaoru, and no matter what she does, she can never seem to catch a break. You know, pay cuts, eviction notices, familial pressures, and more. But Rilakkuma and his friends are always there to provide warmth and comfort during these hassles. Rilakkuma, he's basically the opposite of Kaoru. He's laid back, he's lazy, and he doesn't seem to have a care in the world. With this contrast though, Rilakkuma helps Kaoru find the silver lining. He, Korilakkuma, and Kiroitori are always there to help Kaoru see the good of her situation. At the end of each episode, although Kaoru might not be rid of her problems, she's able to overcome them. And this is emphasized with the ending title card of each episode. This show is overwhelmingly positive, but it's not unrealistic.
Useless bear.
You know, each episode is grounded with real-life dilemmas, road bumps, daydreams, and all the things that come with those. And as I kept watching, I slowly realized that I was very similar to Kaoru. I'm currently working and studying full-time. My job is okay. I mean, I have no complaints other than it's not exactly where I want to be right now. And school is... it's school. Nothing inherently bad is happening to me right now, but I often do find myself wanting more, and I often find myself daydreaming. I guess you could say I just feel stuck.
The truth is, I have no value.
But seeing Rilakkuma and Kaoru find the breaks in the clouds has given me strength. Despite being super bored with my current situation, life could be a lot worse. Even though there are setbacks, there is always something positive that can be found from day to day. If it snows, I can build a snowman. And if I can't go to Hawaii, I can make my own Hawaii. Rilakkuma and Kaoru reminded me at a very opportune time in my life to, simply live life one day at a time. Seeing them joyfully live through their mundane lives, it's given me courage to do the same. And this show also reminded me that power in media cannot be understated. This show has had a tremendous impact on me. And even though at the end of the day most people will say it's just a stop-motion anime about bears living in an apartment, it means so much more to me. I love it. It helped me find happiness, and it helped me find joy in mundanity, and it continues to do so. And I'll forever be grateful for it. Thank you, Rilakkuma and Kaoru. Hey folks, thank you guys so much for watching the video. As you can obviously see, I really love this show, and I recommend that if you watch this video that you watch the show. It's on Netflix, and each episode is only like 10 minutes long, I think, and there's only 13 episodes. So you can binge it super quickly and, enjoy it and get cozy this holiday season, But thank you guys again for watching. If you haven't yet, subscribe and make sure you spank that like button, and I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas. I don't know if I'm allowed to say that, but either way, Merry Christmas, and I hope you guys have happy holidays. Thanks.
Bye.